everyone, it's Carrah and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the March Copic Colors Challenge, if you want to call it that, video where I use the 3 Copic colors of the month to color and create an artwork. Since it's March, I had a feeling that it was going to be green markers, which is good because green is something that I actually don't use a whole lot of. Mainly, I don't use green and orange in my works, which I really want to change and start using more of. But the specific markers were G17, which is also known as forest green, YG17, which is known as grass green, and YG23, which is known as New Leaf. And I had to chuckle at New Leaf because I love Animal Crossing New Leaf, so it was kind of fun. But I actually did not own any of these 3 markers, so I had to order all 3 of them. So now I have 3 new colors in my collection to use and experiment with. For the artwork itself, I knew I wanted to do something that involved clovers, because whenever I think of March, I think of St. Paddy's Day, which is something that a lot of people celebrate. And frankly, I don't know a lot about it. I just know that I need to wear green that day or else I'm going to be pinched. But anyway, I just decided to do this sort of little drawing where I have a bunch of little clovers down at the bottom. I didn't have a whole lot of inspiration. I didn't know entirely what I wanted to do, so I just started sketching and let my hand kind of do the work. So not only did I not really know what I wanted to create, I also had another issue with this drawing because when I actually went to erase the pencil, some pink was left over on my eraser for whatever reason. I don't know what it was from, but it ended up smearing over the eye on the left. So that might be actually visible at the beginning of the video. I'm just lucky enough that it covered up. I decided to try and work with the drawing and see if that pink would cover up, and it did, and I'm happy it did, because I actually started crying from it. I was like, no, I don't want to have to re-ink an entire new thing. So I'm really happy that the pink covered up. I know I've already said a couple of negatives about this drawing, and frankly, I'm going to add one more. I did not like the line art at first. I thought of just scrapping it and starting over and doing an entire new line art and different sketch and everything. But I was talking to a friend recently, and I forget which friend, because I talk to a lot of them, and a lot of them give me good advice. But they told me that I should still follow through with the drawing because I might be surprised and actually like the final result. So I listened to my friend's advice, and I followed through with the drawing, and I honestly was surprised with the final result. I actually liked how it turned out, and I'm happy that I was able to save it and cover up that pink mark, and I just hope you guys like it too. And maybe listen to my friend's advice. Follow through on those drawings that you aren't sure about. So now what I want to know from you guys is, are you guys participating in Copic Colors every month, or are you just sitting back and watching your favorite artists create? And do any of you guys out there actually celebrate St. Paddy's Day, or do you just wear green like I do? Anyways, that's about it for this video. If you guys like this drawing, feel free to leave a like on the video. If you like this Copic Colors series, let me know so I can know whether I should continue it or not. And if you are not already and you'd like to be subscribed to my channel, support my art, I will list the materials I used in the description down below, as well as my social media links and my shop and my Patreon. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!